Welcome to our channel. Here, we delve into the fascinating world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a complete beginner, our content is designed to inspire and guide you on your woodworking journey. From simple DIY projects to intricate designs, we aim to provide you with valuable tips, step-by-step tutorials, and insights into the tools and techniques that can help you create beautiful wooden pieces. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities that woodworking has to offer, turning raw materials into stunning creations that reflect your personal style. With a blend of artistic inspiration and practical business advice, our channel aims to empower you to not only hone your skills, but also to turn your passion into a sustainable income source. So grab your tools, and let's embark on this rewarding journey together. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated on all our latest projects, tips, and tutorials that will enhance your woodworking skills. We'd also love for you to share this video with friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts who might find it helpful. Your support makes a huge difference and helps us grow our community. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video, as we often include special tips and bonus content that you won't want to miss. Join us on this exciting journey, and let's create something amazing together. Miniature woodworking. In today's market, the allure of crafting and entrepreneurship has never been more accessible. Beginner wooden projects offer a unique opportunity for individuals to tap into their creativity while generating income. The woodworking sector is not only a fulfilling hobby, but also a viable business venture that can be started with minimal investment. For those seeking to combine passion with profitability, small-scale woodworking projects present a perfect solution. Identifying market demand. Before diving into woodworking, it's crucial to understand the market demand for various products. Researching local trends and consumer preferences can guide beginners in selecting projects that are likely to sell well. Items such as custom keychains, small furniture, and decorative pieces often attract buyers looking for unique and handcrafted goods. By focusing on popular items, beginners can maximize their profit potential while ensuring their creations meet customer needs. Craftsmanship and skill development. Starting with beginner projects allows aspiring woodworkers to develop essential skills while producing marketable items. Simple projects, such as birdhouses or wooden coasters, help individuals learn the basics of woodworking, including cutting, sanding, and finishing techniques. As skills improve, woodworkers can take on more complex projects, increasing their product range and profit margins. This gradual skill development fosters confidence and creativity, essential traits for any entrepreneur. Low startup costs. One of the most appealing aspects of starting a woodworking business is the relatively low startup costs. Beginners can start with basic tools and materials, often sourced from local hardware stores or online marketplaces. Many initial projects require only a few pieces of wood, some basic hand tools, and a workspace, which can often be a garage or shed. This low barrier to entry makes woodworking an attractive option for those looking to start a side hustle without significant financial risk. Marketing strategies for success. Effective marketing is essential for turning a hobby into a profitable business. Beginners can leverage social media platforms, local craft fairs, and online marketplaces to showcase their wooden creations. Building an online presence through a dedicated website or social media accounts can help reach a broader audience. Engaging with potential customers through quality photos, storytelling, and interactions can significantly enhance visibility and drive sales. Pricing for profitability. Setting the right price for wooden projects is crucial for profitability. Beginners should consider material costs, time invested, and market rates when pricing their products. Conducting competitor analysis can provide insights into appropriate pricing strategies. It's important to balance affordability with fair compensation for craftsmanship to ensure sustainability in the business. Utilizing tiered pricing for different product lines can also attract various customer segments. Diversifying product offerings. As skills and confidence grow, diversifying product offerings can lead to increased sales. Beginners can expand their range by creating complementary items, such as matching wooden coasters and trays or themed home decor. This strategy not only attracts repeat customers, but also enhances brand identity. Crafting seasonal items or limited editions can create urgency and excitement, encouraging consumers to make purchases. Building a brand. Establishing a brand identity is vital for long-term success in the woodworking business. A strong brand can differentiate a business in a crowded market. Beginners should think about their unique selling proposition and how to communicate it through packaging, logos, and social media. Consistency in branding helps build trust and recognition among customers, which is essential for repeat business. Customer engagement and feedback. Engaging with customers is key to refining products and improving sales. Encouraging feedback through surveys or direct communication can provide valuable insights into customer preferences and areas for improvement. Building a community around the brand through newsletters, exclusive offers, and customer appreciation events can foster loyalty and enhance customer relationships. Happy customers are more likely to share their experiences, leading to organic growth through word of mouth. The path to profitability. Beginner wooden projects present a compelling opportunity for those looking to start a small-scale business with significant profit potential. With low startup costs, the ability to develop skills, and effective marketing strategies, aspiring woodworkers can turn their passion into a profitable venture. By understanding market demand, pricing appropriately, and engaging with customers, individuals can build a successful woodworking business that thrives on creativity and craftsmanship. The journey may start small, but with dedication and innovation, the possibilities for growth are limitless. Expanding into online sales. As the digital marketplace continues to grow, expanding into online sales offers significant opportunities for beginner woodworkers. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and personal e-commerce websites allow artisans to reach a global audience. Setting up an online shop can be a straightforward process, enabling woodworkers to showcase their products through high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our woodworking adventures. If you found the content helpful or inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting projects and tutorials. Your subscription not only keeps you updated, but also helps us grow our community of woodworking enthusiasts.